The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and today is 23rd of April 2018. First of all, during our analysis of United States stock indices and major companies, where we analyze Apple and Facebook today, we'd like to pay your attention on the very important development of nowadays. And this development is hidden in the rising United States yields of government papers. As you know, 10-year government papers, the yield of United States 10-year treasuries, are very close to reach the threshold of 3%. That's a very important development, and the successful trade above this level should, from a point of view of attractiveness of United States currencies, should translate to higher rates of United States dollar. But let's see how the stock market, United States stock market, will react to the higher nominal and real interest rates in the United States. As you know, when the markets start to understand that interest rates in the country will be much more higher than previously thought, that should translate, of course, into negative reading of the stock indices. And from that point of view, the correction could be really very sharp. And it will be very important how the market will realize this kind of situation right now. Should we see a kind of strong correction, or the market will enter a consolidation phase? We suggest that probably this time round the market will meet the second criteria, so we will enter a kind of consolidation range, but with easing bias. From that point of view, we suggest that probably, as regarding the S&P 500, that's why we decided to close our long trade recommendation with a small profit at 26.80, because we suggest that while we are below short-term bearish trend line located at 27.30 right now, the pair, this kind of index is ripe for another correction lower. Let's see the chart right now. The chart of S&P 500. As you can see here, we still below the short-term downtrend, but still above longer-term uptrend line. So while we are trading inside of this narrowing triangle, the pair should remain more or less neutral, but we still suggest that the index will sooner or later go higher, so resume its major uptrend. And from that point of view, we will use another opportunity of a downtick to 25.00 as to establish a new long position in the index. The same applies for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Here we still trade above moving average 200 daily line, which located today around 23,700. And while we are above this line, the index should remain supported in the short-term run. In the longer-term run, the pair should be supported while trading above its long-term ascending trend line located around 22,000. All in all, still we will use an opportunity of another retest of moving average 200 daily line to establish a new long position in the index. At the moment, that's all, because regarding the Apple and Facebook, here the situation is dictated by